Hello, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make a beautiful hat for a newborn baby. We can make a hat with 6 inches height and a circumference of 14 inches for a newborn baby. This will suit for babies from 0 to 6 months. Now let's start. Make a chain and continue with chains until you reach the length of 8 inches. This extra 2 inches is to fold the hat, and this extra 2 inches will also help to use it for a few more months for the baby. After you finish making 8 inches, put one chain, skip one chain, and from the next chain make a single crochet. In each chain you make one single crochet, and this will be our first row. After finishing the row, make one chain, turn the side, and again continue with single crochet in each chain. Make a single crochet in the back loop of every chain. See clearly once again, in the back loop you make a single crochet in each chain. Make a single crochet in the back loop. In the same method, continue to put many rows until you reach the length of 14 inches. That is the circumference of the hat. See here, in each and every back loop of the chain we are making one single crochet. Just pass the needle through the back loop, pull the yarn. You will be getting 2 loops in the needle, and pull the yarn through both the loops. That is single crochet. In the same method I have completed 14 inches, and now we'll join the ends and make the hat. While joining the ends, you pass the needle through the back loop of both the ends and pull the thread through the 2 loops at first and then through the next loop. See here, we will be having one loop in the needle. Pass it through one loop in one side and the other loop on the other side, both the back loops, and pull the thread. You will get 2 loops. Again pull it through the next loop. See here, pass the needle through the back loop on both the ends and pull the yarn through all the 3 loops. See here, pass through the back loop and pull through all the 3 loops. Pass it through the back loop of one side and the back loop of other side. Pull it first through the 2 loops and then in the 3rd loop. In the same method, we'll be joining both the ends of the hat together. After joining, it will be like this. You cut the thread leaving 10 or 15 centimeters and then join it to a needle. And now let us finish the top portion. You pass the needle through every row on top. Pass the needle through each and every row like this. This is the top portion of the hat. See, now I have passed through all the rows. You can pull the yarn and tighten this like this. You can again pass the needle through all the rows once again. That is, we are joining it 2 times, and then tighten it. See, I am passing the needle once again in all the rows. That is the second time to make it stronger. Make a knot, and now let us make a pom-pom. You take 3 to 4 inches box and roll the yarn 20 to 30 times like this. Take it out, put a knot in the center. You can make 2 knots very tightly so that the pom-pom will be strong. Like this. And now cut the excess thread and the loops like this on both the sides. Cut the excess thread to make it a perfect circle. Now our pom-pom is ready. We can fix this on top of the baby hat. We'll be having 2 long threads. You take it inside the hat and make a tight knot on the inner side like this, and cut the excess thread. Our baby hat is ready now. Hope you can follow this instructions. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I have shared the related links in the description. Thank you for watching.